Hello, my name is Andrew Oktovic, and I am presenting research analysis for Sociology 100. The article I will be covering today is Gangs and Violence, Disentangling the Impact of Gang Membership on the Level and Nature of Offending. In this article, the researchers named Chris Meld and Finn Og Espensen wanted to know if youth affiliated with gangs were more likely to be exposed to violence, and if this exposure to violence would cause them to be more likely to commit violent acts. In this article, they established the belief that gang affiliation increased the likelihood of a young individual to be exposed to violence. This was their independent variable. Their dependent variable, which they felt correlated strongly with their independent variable, was the likelihood of youth to commit violent acts. The researchers used an anonymous questionnaire survey to gather their information. They sent these surveys to between 4 and 6 different schools in 7 different cities across America. The group that they interviewed in their surveys was very diverse, both racially and in family background. It was also evenly split between males and females. In the survey, the individuals were asked whether or not they were affiliated with gangs, and they were also asked what delinquent behavior and what violent crimes they had been associated with. These ranged anywhere from skipping class without permission to taking something that does not belong to them under threat of violence. The researchers' main ethical concern in conducting this research, after anonymity of those involved in the interview, was gaining parental and child consent. To do this, the researchers went through the schools to send out release forms to the parents of the children. In this research, a sociologist would find the place that violence takes in a gang's culture most interesting. A biologist would be more interested in what gene causes a higher likelihood to commit violent acts and to join gangs. A psychologist would be interested in what mentality causes one to seek gang membership. The second article that I found was Pathways to an Early Violent Death, The Voices of Serious Violent Youth Offenders. This is relevant to my first article, as it states that at-risk youth, those who are already involved in criminal and violent criminal behavior, can be helped while within our justice system so they do not become repeat offenders. Thank you for your time.